different challenge this time, guys. Usually we do last two, but this time I decided to switch it up. We're gonna do first two. So this time we're gonna be doing first two. Make a giant gold slime wins. Mom, give me the money back.
Aww.
$1,000. No, only if you win it. And let's get straight on into the video. Alright, so basically the rules are the first one to finish making their giant gold slime wins.
Love gold slime.
Let this challenge begin! Go, go, go! Okay, first,
I'm
gold pigment.
I want that one. I want that one.
No!
Fine, I'm taking this one.
No! Yes, you can have this one.
That's what I thought.
Okay, now I need some glitter. I'm gonna get this glitter.
Ooh,
this
maybe
glitter.
this might help.
Okay, wait. Whoa! I want the iridescent glitter. I need it.
Excuse me.
Ow! Okay.
What else am I getting? What else am I getting?
This holographic. Okay. No, wait, no. I don't want this. Never mind. Only gold. No. Nah. Fine. Golden, what are they called? Sequins. Move!
All right. I think, ooh. I like this. This is so pretty. The prettiest.
Ow!
Those ears.
Beautiful! Ah, yes!
It's gonna be so pretty.
I found golden flake.
I found some too. It's gonna look so pretty with this.
Got here first. Ha!
Okay. But I'm finishing first.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, I lost something. Hamburger.
Dang. Okay, gonna pour glue.
I lost my hamburger.
I don't care about your hamburger. Okay, that's good.
Oh, I can't open it.
It's got it's got a rubber band on it.
I just need to get some candy and I'll have more energy.
Oh wait, I forgot something. Okay, back. Okay, I'm gonna make rose gold slime. That's right.
I want to make gold roll slime.
Gonna mix that in there. I just realized I dirtied my fork. Okay, I got my. Jeez.
Oh God, I think I filled it up too much.
Right. Oh whoa, that was a lot. Okay.
Oh God, I'm gonna make a mess.
This is so pretty. All right, I think that should be a good amount. That was a lot. Whoops. I'm gonna put my glitters, gold glitter, and then gold sequins. Oh, okay, whatever, put the whole thing. Okay, let me get these. Doing like Salt Bay, you know, like a.
Oh wow,
I don't think I did that
You're
right.
so good at it.
Okay, next we put iridescent glitter because you always need some iridescent glitter. Some gold glitter because you always need some gold glitter. And then some of this holographic gold glitter.
You're gonna finish before me, no!
Oh yeah. All right, and let's mix. Where did my fork go? Oh my gosh, guys, it's completely under. Okay, okay, I got it. All right, let's mix. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. I think I might have put a little too much gold. Look at how beautiful. Yes, yes. This is magnificent. Okay, now I need to activate. Ha! Mom, I'm already almost done. I'm already activating mine. It's got the gold pigment. Look at how
Really?
beautiful.
Well, mine's already almost activated, so I'm ahead of you.
How?
Because mine's almost activated and yours is not.
Whatever. Yeah, but mine has gold pigment in it already and all my glitter.
Oh, well, I can do that right now.
Look at how beautiful it is, Mom.
No. I need pigment.
I have a spoon over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, no, I don't.
Oh! Look at how pretty. Look at that. Look at Ameerah. How pretty mine looks already.
Oh, this looks beautiful. It looks like molten golden lava. I don't know why, but it like reminds me of that. Like, look at how cool.
Oh, really? Well, I'm winning.
Ah! Why did you do that so quick? Ah! It takes so long.
Mine's gonna be gorgeous.
Yeah, whatever.
I have a special technique.
Okay, what is that?
Oh, I can't tell you, because then you'll copy me.
This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I keep getting distracted how pretty it is. This is taking forever to activate. What the heck?
I told you I was winning.
It's like in chunks. I need to add more red food coloring because it needs to be a rose gold. But guys, look at this. Doesn't it look like gold nuggets? It's molten gold nuggets.
Oh yeah, well look at mine. Look at mine. Oh.
You put a lot.
Pretty. Yeah, because I'm winning.
Jeez, Mom, you're going
I told you I'm gonna win, and I'm gonna win.
Almost done. Almost there.
Oh, I'm winning. Look at that. Look at this, Ameerah. I'm almost done. Ugh.
It's not activated all the way.
It's almost activated. Ha!
You still need it, Mom. I'm almost done too. Okay, you know what, guys?
Look at how pretty.
I think it's time to get
Look
down
at
and
that.
dirty. I think I need to put it on the table. Okay. Gold spill. Oh yes, look at this. Golden lava. I'm almost done too, Mom.
I'm gonna finish before you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. And I'm putting more pigment. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how much I'm putting, Ameerah.
That's a lot of gold pigment.
I love gold. Look at that.
This
Look
is
at
gonna
that.
be beautiful
Look at how
when
pretty.
I'm Whoa.
Just keep kneading it, and I'll be done before you.
No, you won't.
Oh yes, I will.
It's getting thicker. It's like dough. Get into Sonic mode. Mom, look, there's a banana.
Where? I'm winning.
Oh yeah.
You can't distract me. Oh! It looks pretty. Look at that.
Dang.
Thanks, Ameerah.
Dang. Oh yeah, Mom. Got you. All right. What? Mom. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Mom. No. No. Ah! Mom! What the heck? You get away! That's stuffing. I'm not stop making my gold paper slime. I'm almost done already. Look at me. Look at it. Sure, it's a little activated, but I need some hair gel. Oh no.
You overactivated yours.
Yeah, whatever. I got some glycerin.
I think I overactivated mine too. Oh God.
Ha! This is glycerin, guys. Apparently, it helps soften the slime.
Vinegar is pretty good too.
Okay.
A little stinky though.
Yeah, your slime's gonna be stinky now. This is hard.
It stinks.
Oh, Mom, your slime stinks. Ooh.
Why didn't you give me some glycerin?
This is my glycerin.
This stinks. Well, yeah, mine looks like gold chunks. Look at that.
Yeah, whatever.
It's gold.
don't care.
It's gold nuggets. Oh.
Guys, I'm out of glycerin. Wow. Okay, it's working, it's working, it's working. I'm gonna win this challenge, Mom.
No, I'm winning. Don't you see I'm almost done?
Yeah. Oh, my slime's getting so much better. My slime is so beautiful.
Mine's gold.
Okay.
It requires a lot of love.
Okay, I still need more glycerin, guys. And I have none. I have an idea. I'm gonna put water in it.
Oh, I'm gonna take this time to win.
I'm back.
It's okay, you don't have to run, Ameerah.
Yeah, whatever, Mom. I'm gonna win this.
No, I'm winning.
Mom, what happened to your slime?
I don't know.
I think you need more activator. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pity you. You need some activator. Almost done. Almost done. I need more activator. Not activator, glycerin. I need more glycerin.
Guys, I'm almost done. I might just win.
Where's the activator?
Oh, there's no more. Okay.
Glycerin.
Ha ha.
No, I have to win this. I have to win.
I'm winning. Guys, I'm done. I win. It's so pretty.
No.
I won.
No, mine is fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Look at that.
fine.
Look at this.
Look, it's made too. Mine's made. Mine's made too.
I win.
It's made.
Look at mine. It's so pretty.
Okay, no. You guys comment down below who you thought won. I think I won. Mine's made. It's not that bad. It's just a little bit rippy, but it's good still.
Mine.
Hashtag Team Ameerah.
Hashtag Team
Ameerah.
Jella.
No, it's Team Ameerah. Team Ameerah.
Team Jella.
Okay, well, let's do some ASMR, guys, so you guys can see. Okay, here's mine. See, it's not that bad. You just gotta go really slow. See? It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just go slow. It's a delicate one. All right, that's it for mine.
Well, guys, here's mine. You guys decide. Can you hear that, Ameerah?
Yeah, whatever. Hashtag Team Ameerah.
Hashtag Team Jella. I think I'm the winner. Look at how pretty it
Not
looks.
that good.
It's amazing. What do you mean? Look at that. It's so pretty. What do you think, Paul? What do you think won?
I can't decide between the two. I like them both.
I love the color, but I still think I won.
No, I think I won, guys. Okay. I think you guys need to decide who won this challenge. I don't know. Comment down below. And make sure you subscribe. And that is it. I hope I did it.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel too.
Yeah, whatever.
Uh-huh.
And that's it. Thank you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.